Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I am making some beef soup. So here I have some soup beef, and then I have some burnt cow skin, and then the ground provisions and seasonings that I'll be using with a few other additional stuff. So I'm going to tenderize my meat for a little bit in my Instant Pot. And I just have some water, some beef bouillon, pimento seeds, and garlic in here. So once it starts boiling, then I'm going to add my meats to this. And this thing works really well. You only need probably like 20 minutes to tenderize the meat. I'm also going to add my pumpkin and carrot at this point because I want them to be completely dissolved in my soup. I don't like eating the pumpkin and carrots in like chunks. They have to be like dissolved for me. Once this is done, I'm going to transfer this to a regular pot and finish it off on the stove top. You can also finish it in the pot, but I like to transfer it. So to that, I'm going to add my yams and my dumplings. And I'm also going to add my corn and potatoes too at this point. The meat's already cooked, so it's basically just cooking the rest of the stuff. So once those are tender, the ground provision are tender and cooked, then it's time to season your soup. So I'm using some thyme, some green onions, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also going to be adding a packet of pumpkin soup noodle mix. And you want to give this a good stir just to ensure that the noodle mix is all dissolved, because if it's not, then it will be clumpy and you'll have like chunks of noodle mix. I'm also adding some black pepper. I didn't use any salt because the bouillon and the soup mix had enough salt for me. But of course, you want to taste it to see if you need to add more salt to yours. Now, once everything is all cooked and married together, and you want to give this a stir to ensure that the noodles are not like sticking at the bottom. But once everything is done and your soup is thick enough to the consistency that you like, then you're all done. You're just going to remove the scallion and the thyme before you serve it. You can also chop those up instead of putting them in whole like I did, so it's cooked out in the soup. But once your soup is thick enough for your liking, then you're ready to serve. I'll have the recipe in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to give this a thumbs up and to subscribe and also share with a friend. I'll see you guys next time.